In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pen pressure for brush size or opacity in Clip Studio Paint. If you've ever wanted consistent line thickness or a uniform shade no matter how hard you press with your tablet, this quick setting is exactly what you need. It's especially useful for clean inking, flat color blocking, pixel perfect edges, or when you're working with a non-pressure stylus and want predictable results. Start by opening Clip Studio Paint. Once you're in your canvas, choose the brush you want to use from the subtool palette. This is the panel that lists your brush variants like G pen, mapping pen, or your favorite custom brush. Pick the one you'll be drawing with so you can adjust its behavior. With the brush selected, look over to the tool property window. This panel shows the controls for the currently chosen tool, and it's where Clip Studio Paint exposes the most important brush settings. You'll usually see sliders for size and opacity here, along with any special options your brush supports. Find the size or opacity setting you want to control. Next to each of these, you'll notice a small pen-shaped icon. That icon indicates whether pen pressure is affecting that particular parameter. If it looks highlighted or active, it means your pressure is currently influencing how large the stroke gets or how transparent it appears as you draw. Click the small pen icon to turn pen pressure off for that setting. The icon will change appearance, typically dimming or showing a different state, so you can immediately tell that pressure sensitivity has been disabled. If you see separate icons next to both size and opacity, you can toggle them independently. Turning off the one by size locks your stroke thickness. Turning off the one by opacity locks your stroke's transparency. Now, test your brush on the canvas. Make a few strokes while pressing lightly and then more firmly. With pressure disabled for size, your line thickness will remain consistent from start to finish. With pressure disabled for opacity, the darkness or transparency of your stroke will stay the same even if you push harder. If you only changed one of the settings, you'll notice that the other still responds to pressure as usual. That's all there is to it. By toggling that small pen icon in the tool property window, you can quickly switch between expressive, pressure-sensitive strokes and steady uniform lines or fills. It's a simple adjustment that gives you precise control over your brush behavior, helping you stay focused on clean, consistent results.